everyone, cook dinner with your immigrant chef for my future family, Middle Eastern Chickpea Dinner. Since I have been already cooking for like 57 people and eating the same dish for a whole week, I don't think we will have any issues about measuring. Just kidding. It is always for 4 people, assuming that I will have twins. Let's get started. First, soak your chickpeas in water for 12 hours the night before. I like to soak a big batch, then divide them into ziplocs and freeze them. In the next stage, you need to keep reminding yourself of trusting the process because it's not going to look good. Next, roast butter, chopped onion, and flour in a pot until they look brownish together. Add 1 cup of water and stir them together. Then add grated garlic, paprika salcha, and tomato paste. Season with a pinch of black pepper, red pepper, bay leaf, and cumin. Add 4.5 cups of water. Let it cook on low heat for 1 hour and 40 minutes. Don't forget to stir it every 20 to 30 minutes. Let me know if you try this recipe